Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today on Newbold Common in the heart of Leamington Spa. A few minutes walk to the leisure centre, nature reserve and country park in one direction, and Leamington Spa Centre with all of its amenities in the other. The property I'm about to show you is at Purcell Close, just off Eastfield Road and Newbold Terrace East. Originally built in the late 1980s, this is a unique development of 8 townhouses and would be a perfect lock-up and leave, retirement or easy town living. There are 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living dining, kitchen, feature spiral staircase, south-facing balcony, courtyard garden and 2 allocated parking spaces and integral garage. There is also potential to modernise and create additional living space in both the attic and the garage. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.